Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Monday. So Monday market has opened as a gap down. So on gap down, like firstly it has trapped the sellers. Now it's again active for the sale on rise. So I have made particularly a short for this particular 25 200 rejection, where is max pain. There is a probability it will be going to touch the support, which is 25 100 itself. So one scalp I have found, so I am already having my positions at that particular 200 rejection. So I will be going to let you know where it will be going to give my target or take my SL, which is in this candles like 22 28 230. I have taken an SL and made an entry at this 25 200 and two rejection. So let's see, like buyers and sellers both are like trapped, and today is a option seller day. So this is the only trade I have found, and I will not going to do again and again kind of buying and selling. I will be only going to done my first target, which is 25 139, and then 100 is possible. So I will be going to trail, and I will not going to do over trading today because this is option sellers market. So you, if you are option seller, so you can do simply a call writing at this 25 200 and 25,000 itself. You can do a put writing. So this kind of a seller's market, you will be going to made money by today itself. This is very much likely to happen because market is totally sideways, and sideways to negative, I can say. For flat, one negative is already triggered, so which is again aggressive sellers are maybe take it to the next support, which is 25 100 on 120. It's possible. So we will be going to book at that particular point. I will not going to take trade again and again. I will be going to skip then, and I will be move on to like next, tomorrow we have the expiry of next nifty. So premium decay will be going to happen after that. So we will be going to make position after, like by tomorrow. This is very much likely to possible. And in Sensex you can make short as well. This is a 82,150 is again acting as a resistance, so it will be going to again 150 point you can take, which is 82,000 itself. You can book your profit. So this is a particular trade which is activated. Let's see. And gap filling, if you are looking for, so you have to take and make position at the support. So support is still not activated. Maybe firstly it will be going to 25 120s. Here you have to keep an eye on this particular support. 120 is going to be like resist, or when 120 is going to be like buyers are activated at here. So you can make position at this particular support. Here you cannot plan for the buy. I cannot afford a buy, otherwise I will be going to skip. And I already suggested to you, buyers and sellers both are trapped at here. So if you are making a selling at here, so you may be having a SL at here. Simply in this candles high 212 or 30 230, you can take your SL and go for the sale on rise market. This is not having a strength, so it will be going to give a day high. This would be possible. It can go to the pivot level, which is 25 257. Then here again I will be looking for the only sale on rise market. So selling I will be going to take at here. I will be not looking for a buy at this pivot as well. So let's see. Firstly it will be going to the support or it will be going to the resistance. As per the price action, market is bearish and sentiments are bearish, and these like first attempt of buyer, which is having and done and dusted the target. I have done a scalp in the morning only, but again it got rejected, and third time this is a probability that it will be going to give a down. Then it would be possible 120 may be acting as a support. Then we will be looking for the opportunity for the buy side in this way. But here if you are going for a buy, then premium decay will be there. So premiums are not appreciating that much, and depreciation is very much high. So I cannot afford a risk at here. This is my only thing. If you are planning for a buy and sell today, so take very minimum quantity today, because market is very like sideways, so you will be not getting anything if you are planning for a buy or sale. And I just switched to 15 minutes